Hello dear students, today we gonna start our business studies syllabus of class 12, and in your 11th standard you have studied about the forms of business organizations, and the part in 12th will concentrate on management, and first chapter of business studies of class 12 concentrates on the introduction and functions of management, and the name of the chapter is nature and significance of management. As if we consider multinational companies or even our domestic companies, no company can run without proper management. Therefore, management is essential in all kinds of business organization, whether it is small scale, medium scale, large scale, it is an educational institution, it is a producing unit, or it is a family business. It requires management. Why is it required? Because in management we concentrate on decisions, particularly who will do what, means what business activity, what kind of job will be done by which staff member, when will they do it, what is the accurate time of doing that job, what resources will they use, what kind of authority resources they are having. Okay, and the activities that are primarily included in management are planning. First of all, whatever is to be done is planned, and then to do that particular activity, organization function is done. All the things, all the staff members are organized. Then staffing means hiring the people on the job, on right people on the right job, means the person who is competent in doing that kind of job must be employed on the same job. Directing, after appointing them they are given directions. And then controlling means whatever are they doing, their activities are controlled by the top level management. So what is the definition of management? Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Okay, what a manager does? Manager, he appoints the job to his employees, and every employee is given a target to achieve. Every employee is given a task to be completed. Okay, so it means management. What